Using fertility awareness methods really forces us to communicate on really everything. It's a constant conversation month to month on, what is our intention? Are we trying to avoid, trying to prevent, trying to whatever? And the thing is that each month when we sit down and we talk about this, it brings up so many other issues that we would have never discussed if we had just been using artificial birth control. We found over the 12 years of marriage for using fertility awareness, it's always just so surprising, and we are just constantly saying that to each other. Like, we never would have even talked about this if, we just were using the pill and not being forced to really have these like tough conversations that have really made our marriage grow so much and helped us to just get so much closer to each other.
Yeah, and with that, it's helped strengthen just the overall respect that I think we have for each other and that I have for my wife.
And then another really big benefit that we found in using fertility awareness methods is it also helps you have a really great sex life, because we have to abstain during the fertile periods,